Hi guys, it's Marie here, and today I want to show you how really simple and easy it is to create a Pinterest pin. So we've invited you to go to canva.com. Canva.com is the design site that we use to create our own personal pins. And what's nice about Canva is that you can have a free account, and there's so much that you can do with a free account that at the moment you do not need a paid account unless you want to do certain things like transparent backgrounds and stuff like that. But the free account is by far more than enough for anybody to use. Now it's really, really simple. If you go along the side here, you can see that you can go to the templates. And if you're creating a Pinterest pin, so create a design, you can come here. And if you click on the button, it will give you already suggested templates, or you can do your own custom dimensions. Today we're doing a Pinterest pin, and the ideal Pinterest pin ratio is 2 to 3. Usually if we're doing our own things, it's about 1,000 to 1,500. So what you'll see down here is they actually give you all of these different templates that you can use and start with, and then you can change them as you like. So for example, I've recently used some of these. These are Pinterest video pins. We're not going to get into that in this video, but there is the option to do that. And if you've got a certain topic or niche you wanted to type in, you could. So for example, if I wanted to do something like soccer, so they come up with pins like this. For today, I'm just going to build a really quick pin. I'm doing a pin for the top 5 blogs that you can build. So it's really easy to create a Pinterest pin. So now we're in the templates. And so I'm going to pick a template that I like. I'm going to be building a pin that says top 5 blogs to build this year. So let's just we can pick anything. So you can just scroll through all of these templates, see something that you like or something that you might want to start with. Like for example, I'll pick this. So you start with a template and you can make all of these changes. So for example, I want to do something with blogging. So I think, you know what, I want to change out the background picture because it has to do with rustic furniture. I see that there's not really anything that has to do with blogging. So maybe what I want to do is I want to put up a picture of a computer. So what I could do here is I could go to their photos, and I could actually do a search for, actually I see a photo here that I might like to use, but you could do a search for computer and things, you would pull up all of these things. So you could choose one of these, and to choose one of these, all you would do is you would click on it, and then it ends up populating your image here, your canvas here. Then what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to move this. So you can see here, there's the text here. I'm just moving the text around. And the thing is, you need to play around with it as well. So I'm just going to drag this down, see if it fits, then drag this back on top. Now you see here, it actually disappears behind the image that I've just loaded into the canvas. So what you do is you go to position and you move it forward, and it comes back to the forefront here. And here's rustic furniture. I can move that back, and what I'll do is I'll just make this image a little bit bigger so it looks like that. And you can do so many things here. Like if you see down here, you can add elements, so you could just click on elements. So here it is. If you want it there, you can click on the color. You can change the color of the element. You can make it, oops, that's a Canva Pro color, you don't need that. You can make it bigger, smaller. You can add text to it. Like if you just click text, you could add text to it. We'll delete that. But I just want to show you here too, they have these pre-made text examples as well. So you could drag that onto there, and then you can just change the text itself. So it's really easy to use. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to say, grab the report, and I'll say top 5 blogs. Top 5 blogs to build this year. And you can also change the font. So for example, come up here and you can change the font here. You can look for a font if you know what font you want to use, for example. So you see it changes that here, and so on and so forth. And there's so many different things that you can do down the side. You can actually also upload your own pictures. you just play around. Like I said, you can find all of these different elements, little clip art, little stickers. You can stick all of these onto your pin. So it's so fun and easy to use. And it's just a matter of playing around with it a little bit. And then we'll just change this here. And we can change this here so we don't need that. And once you're done, once you like the way the pin looks, so you could, again, you could write your URL here in the bottom. You could write more text. Like I said, you could add stickers. You could do so many different things. Once you like the way it looks, all you need to do is you need to go up here and you're going to download. You're going to choose how you want to download it. I'm downloading PNG, and you're just going to download it to your computer, and it's ready to use. So that's how easy it is to create a Pinterest pin. And just so you know, here you can also name the file name. Just while we're here, you could name the file name, and you'll see here the Pinterest pin is 1000 by 1500, which is that 2:3 ratio. So again, go into Canva, play around, see what you like in terms of Pinterest pins. You can go to Pinterest, look at different pins, see what grabs your attention, and try to build something like that, something that appeals to you and that you think would appeal to somebody else. And always, again, be sure to have a really good call to action here and a strong benefit for the pinner. Hope that was helpful, and we'll see you in another video.